Carry-on bag requirements for cruise ships are different than those for airlines, and you may not see your checked bags until after dinner. In this video, we're going to show you what you should pack into your carry-on bag, as well as items you should pack in your checked luggage. We have boarded a cruise ship in 8 minutes. Our video will help you lighten your load while having an efficient, stress-free, and fun-filled embarkation day. We flew in last night, so this morning I need to prepare my carry-on to board this ship. So the first thing I want to do is lighten the load of it. So I'm going to go through and don't really need the makeup before dinner. I can put that out. Can go without the card game. Don't need the breakfast bars. Don't need this jacket. And I certainly do not need to worry about these liquids because I can check them to get on the cruise ship. Then the next thing I'm going to do is put my valuables in the bag. So I've gotten these out of the safe. So your sensitive binoculars that you don't want knocked around. And of course, jewelry. And I'm also going to pack, I'm thinking I might get in the hot tub, so I'm going to put a swimsuit and suntan lotion in my carry-on. Yep. And it's very important that you put whatever medicine you may need onto your carry-on. And the most important thing is passports. So we're going to be sure to have our passports in the bag and where they're easy to get out to help for a quick boarding of the ship. So you need to prepare for this, just like airlines. Well, except for you can have as many liquids as you choose, as long as they are not restricted by the cruise line. But lock your bags. Take off old tags that happen to be on them. So, especially tags from previous cruises. If you're in the same line, having an old one could lead to your bag going to disembarkation instead of embarkation. So we want to take everything off. Next, you will want to tag all the bags that you're going to check. Now, we have printed out our tags before we left home. We put them in these handy dandy sleeves that have these great ways to attach, which have survived many cruises and even a few airline flights. Now I'm ready to go get on the ship.